How to delete a listing from eBay. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, search ebay.com on your Chrome and log into your account. Then click on My eBay at the top right, which will open up these options. In here, click on Setting. After you've clicked on Setting, you will find this kind of screen. In here, below Listings, click on Active Listings. Then you'll find all your listings. Simply scroll down in here and simply select the one you want to delete. Click on the box. Make sure there's check mark. After you do that, you will find an arrow beside edit. Simply click on it, expand it, and you will find end listing. Click on end listing. Then again click on end listing. Then your listing will be deleted. This is how to delete a listing from eBay. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.